guys, welcome back to the channel again. I'm Holly, nice to meet you if you're new here. We're doing 61 days of Halloween. So if you're interested in every single day from September 1st to October 31st of Halloween content, make sure you subscribe and come hang out with me. Let's talk in the comments. Let's be besties. Let's be some Halloween goals, girlfriends. Let's go. Okay, anyways, sorry. Today, I have a Michael's haul. You can't see it. There it is. I have a Michael's haul. I bought quite a few things for my house and my Halloween party at Michael's, so I figured I would show you guys. They had so much good stuff this year, but it was so expensive. I said no to a lot that I really wanted just because it's so expensive. So I am really hoping to hit the Halloween clearance sales, I couldn't think of the word, hard this year. Like literally day after Halloween to like the 3rd, I am going on like a 3-day break just to go shopping and see what's on clearance that I can pick up, because I don't want to pay these prices, but I really want the stuff. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go ahead and get into this haul. The first thing I got are these 2 sets of black, what are they called? Like streamers? No. Fringe curtains. Because I want to make like a little photo booth area out of our squat rack in our gym for the party. So I figured we could hang these up and kind of give it that photo booth-ish feel. So I got 2 packs of those. I also got this little pack of skeleton garland, but the main reason I got this is because the pack of just the skeletons, sorry if you hear noise, Brendan's making his lunch in the kitchen. But I figured this pack of Halloween garland, I mainly got this because the packs of this exact skeleton, but like 3, was double the price as buying the one on the garland, which doesn't make much sense to me because it seems like it's more work to put it on the garland. But the main reason I wanted this was honestly to decorate, because we're gonna do a giant charcuterie, get it? So I wanted to kind of dabble these in there in places and just kind of have them like laying in the food a little bit. I thought that would be fun. Don't worry, I'll sanitize them, I'll wash them. But I just thought that would be really fun. So I'm basically just going to cut the garland off of them and lay them out in the charcuterie, which I think will be really freaking cool. Oh, and these were $6.99. Next up, I got more of these beakers, honestly, mainly because we thought they would be really fun shot glasses. So I think that's how we're gonna end up using them. So I got another 3-pack of the glass ones. The last ones I got were from Joann, but super fun. They also had black ones that I'm literally obsessed with. Like, these are so freaking cool. And these were $7.99 each. So now I have, I think 8 or 9 shot glasses if you count the little beakers as shot glasses. So I just figured that would be a really fun way to make the drinking experience more fun and Halloween feeling. Then, because I loved the black beakers so much and I felt like they matched my decor, not only in here but in my kitchen with my Jack Skellington kind of, you know the scene when he's like trying to figure out the formula to Christmas? I have a notebook that has his like equation in it, and I set up the glass beakers kind of around it because I felt like that went with the vibe, but I think the black one matches it even better. So I might put them over there. I might put them on this shelf. I haven't decided yet, but saying all that to say, this small one was $5.99 and it's like matte black, and it's just, it's such a freaking vibe. I'm obsessed, you guys. Like, I love it. And then the big one was $7.99. So I figured 1, 2, and then I have a few of the small ones. They can go in like a little set together. I thought was so fun. So really excited about these. I just love these for decor. Next up, I'm so excited about this item. This is definitely more so for my party, but this is an electric cauldron. So you can put queso in here, you can put candy melts and have fondue in here, you can put a dip you want to keep warm in here, but it's shaped like a little cauldron. It has little thingies on the side. I thought that would be so fun. I can put chocolate in here and people can like dip their little food in the cauldron. I thought that would be so much fun. So I'm really excited about this. I don't even remember how much this was, to be honest, because the price tag like wasn't anywhere that I could see. But I'm so excited about this. I didn't even look at the price because I was like, I need it. Next up, I am so excited about this item. I have been looking for this type of thing for literally like, I don't know, a long time I feel like. And I haven't found exactly the one that I wanted. Joanne had one, but it had a skeleton painted in the back and I did not like it that much because of the skeleton. I just wanted a all black one. And I found one. Sorry, my background is making it really hard because it's like black on black. But this is a little cauldron, like, not cauldron. It's a little coffin board. It's got little handles on the side. So you can use it like a little tray or whatever. And this was $12.99. But I thought it would be so cute to kind of, you know, maybe we put like all the strawberries in here, or probably need to put something less leaky in this, like maybe cheese or meat or whatever. I don't know yet. Or cupcakes would be cute. Like, I need to figure out what I want to do in this, but I just want to use it to style the charcuterie. I think it will be really cute. And then also it can make great decor later on as well. So love it. So cute. This next these next items are amazing. Like, I am nothing short of ecstatic about these. And I'm gonna give you the vibe so you can see how I plan to use them. Kind of going off of our mad scientist beaker Jack Skellington vibe. I got these 3 black long stem. I don't know if these are called beakers as well. I don't think they are. What does it say they are? Flask. It says a glass flask. But the big one was $9.99, the medium one was $7.99, and the baby was $5.99. So how, I don't want these to get broken. So how I want to display these, they do come with like a hanger thing, but I probably won't be hanging them. I probably will take that off. But I figured over in the corner in my Halloween display, I can set these all together. And then I want to put 3 different colors of liquid, like maybe like blue, green, and red, and then drop some dry ice in it. So just for like aesthetic over in the corner, these are like bubbling over during the party and like misting out. I just think that will be so cool and provide such a vibe. So I am really excited about these, and I just really think that's gonna add such like a fun and exciting element to kind of the look of the food board situation. So all right, we have one more thing, but I need to reach over and grab it, so give me a second. So excited about this as well. This is an item that I've had my eye on for a long time as well, but I finally picked up the little threesome of cauldrons. I do kind of have one up there that's like gold and black, but I wanted, one second, I'm gonna pull it out of the packaging. Okay, so, sorry. They did not come hanging on the little thingies. So these are food safe because they're just completely glass on the inside, and then on the outside they're just painted matte black. So super cute. Hold on, this one's a little broken. One second. It's not broken, I can fix it, but I just need a moment. So got this little trio of black cauldrons that will hang on this little bar guy, and I want to put little candies and stuff in it because I think that will be so adorable also for the party. I mean, these definitely can be adorable, like just Halloween decor in general, but I mainly wanted it for the purposes of the party. So super, super cute, you guys. And like I said, the inside is completely glass, so they are food safe, which is awesome. And I think these are just going to be a really, really cute way to display little candies and stuff. So that is everything I got at Michael's. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Halloween Michael's haul. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below to come hang out with me. Like I said earlier, I'm doing 61 days of Halloween all through September, end of October. We're doing it all. So if you want to come out, hang out with me every day for new Halloween content, please subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what shop has like the best Halloween decorations this year in your opinion. I would love to know so that I can check it out. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Oh.